I've got a little mystery box that I found metal detecting outside an old silver mine in Cobalt, Ontario. It's in rough shape. It's heavier than it should be, 1.5 ounces. The company name on there and location in Toronto was for a company that made photographic paper, amongst other things. So there is a possibility that this thing holds or did hold photography paper. I don't know what else it might be, unless it was just a complimentary giveaway of some sort. An old lighter, like maybe there's hinges there and that was the cap. Maybe it held blasting caps, fuses, I don't know. And I've been staring at this thing for months now, wondering what's inside. So today's the day. My first step on it is I'm going to put it in a vise and give it a little squeeze and see if something pops. So I'm either going to fix it or so no other can fix it. Let's get to it. Okay, here we go. I'll try giving a squeeze this direction first. No. Sideways. Okay, something's happening. Let's see. Oh. Shiny. I wonder if that was gold plated. Makes it even more interesting. Oh man. Appears just to be full of rust. Be nice if it was gold nuggets. Like, look at this. It appears to be a stone, but it's not very heavy. What the heck? What? I was hoping for a love letter or something. Well, I'll dig out what's in there. I don't think you can see down, but there's some more little rocks in there. However they got in when the thing was closed. There's the latch at the top. What's in there? Okay. Okay, what I've decided to do is put all the dirt into a bowl that came out of this mystery box. And then a really poor job of panning it just to get rid of the majority of the dirt. just to see what's left behind. I think that's pretty good. Now, we'll put in some iron out. That ought to do it. Let that work for a little bit. Okay, so what do we have in here? Is that silver? No, I think it's part of the box. Something shiny right there. That's definitely part of the box. Ooh. What are you? Look at that. See? That sure looks to me to be a silver nugget. Eh? Any more in there? Huh. I don't know if that's part of the box or a piece of plate silver. I'll look at that later. I think it's part of the box. So, here's what I'm thinking. Since I found this little box in the tailings, it was something that somebody who worked the mine had in his pocket. Maybe to grab little pieces. Maybe other ones in here. Like maybe there's one right there. What do you think? Oh, no. To grab little pieces of silver as he finds them. Stick them in his pocket. Somehow or another he dropped it. Probably ended up in the ore cart and got discarded. Unfortunately, it's not stuffed with silver, but now this one has a pretty cool story to it. Well, thanks for watching.